So you haven't landed a UGC gig in quite some time and you're wondering why. It's pretty simple actually. It's because you're a content creator, not a UGC creator.
You look like a baddie. Girl, are you a baddie? You look just like a baddie. I think that you a baddie. You look just like baddie. I think that you a...
I know, right? It sounds crazy, but you are not that great at sales. You're not that good at convincing people. I created a free module that you can access in the link in my bio that can help you understand a little bit of where you're at right now. I know that we all started UGC out for a certain purpose, but look, at this point, we're literally content creators. UGC made you a content creator. Now what? Click the link in the bio. I've been a content creator for over 9 years and worked with over 125 brands. How you ask? Simply by sharing my life. I started with going live like all the time, sites like Ustream and Blog TV, you know, the olden days. And with that, I learned how important it is to just be your authentic self, because it really does build a community of people that support you for years to come. I'm so thankful to anyone that's ever supported me throughout this journey of my content creating, and just allowed me the possibilities to be able to have a life where I'm in charge completely. So what does this mean for you? It means that you can do it too. It means that just by being your authentic self, you can literally make a living by being you. It's possible. What they all say is really true, and I am a living example of that. By simply being yourself, you can create so many opportunities. I have a lot of resources and tools to help you to generate an income by simply being yourself. Go ahead and click the link in my bio so you can schedule some time with me. We'll go over who you are and how you can generate an income by being you. As a content creator, I'm able to expand myself and apply for even more sites than UGC so that I can get tons of things for free. Be the first to let you know it's because you're still dealing with big brands. Hello! People start businesses every single day. Somebody needs your help. I go where I'm wanted and I'm very successful with doing that. What does this mean for you? This means that instead of Lancome, you might want to hit up Shirasi Beauty. I'm just saying. Hello. It's okay to tell yourself that you're not a UGC creator. You're a content creator. Hey, you're getting up there in followers. You might be a micro-influencer, a nano-influencer even. Ooh, influencer. What a scary word. No, it's not. It means that you have a better opportunity to get more money faster. If you don't need a following for UGC, then why did you make a new page? Why do you have new social pages if UGC is not something that you need for followers? Something that I never understood. So now you're sitting here and you're an influencer, but you didn't want to be an influencer. But you haven't realized that the things that you're posting that you made for other people, people are actually buying that stuff because of you? Yeah. So as you've built up a community and you start to post things in your Amazon storefronts, you realize that people are actually influenced by you to buy things. Are you an influencer? It's very possible. And why? Because people trust you. Because people actually care about what you have to say. Is that so hard to believe? Well, if it is, go ahead and click the link in my bio to check out my module. UGC made me a content creator. Now what? To help you get a little more comfortable with the space that you're in right now. And while you're there, make sure you book some time with me so I can help you to generate another income from UGC to content creating to influencing, every single thing in between. Let's go.